So I'm going to actually direct the next question to you. Were you a Hardy Boys fan or a Nancy Drew fan when you were young with these detective books? No. Did you ever? Are you a crime fan? Do you like reading about not knowing the ending but reaching somewhere in between and then coming up there? No.
More like Archie comics and Amar Chitra Katha.
But this katha involved a lot of research. Because, like I said, so everyone in India thinks they know the answer to this case especially. And then so you've got to make a film that doesn't have a predictable ending and then still be as close to the truth as possible. So too much homework, I'm assuming.
Yeah, fabulous.
But was it very
It was
difficult?
completely stepping out of everything that is familiar, comfortable, and I think that's what made it so exciting and challenging. More importantly for me, the very fine line was that while working, the names were characters, but very often it would come back to me that these are actually real people, and this has happened to them. So that was a little unnerving, but it's just been fabulous.
And I think it's looking also very good. I love the trailer as well. And now I'll direct it to the entire cast as well. As was put so eloquently, three of perhaps the most powerful performers in our industry. Konkona, good to see you back again. And this is a very, very strong script. Because you're portraying almost real-like characters because it's inspired by true events. So would you have to be that much more careful when you're researching for this role, even though it comes very naturally for you? But would you have to be careful when you're sifting through the records like, say, Meghna would have also done?
Actually, I have to say that because the script was so thoroughly researched and presented the script has looked at every possible aspect of this investigation. So it didn't leave me very much in that sense to have to research for myself. In fact, Meghna had some research which she made available to us as well, which we went through. And the script itself, I mean, this is a case that everybody's familiar with, that we have been following. We have wittingly or unwittingly come across it on television and news, etc. And you read various stories on it. And at no point was I meant to, emulate any one particular real-life person. We were basing it on the facts that were available to everybody, and it is an interpretation of these facts. It's just showcasing these different elements. So I actually didn't have the burden of research on me.
Brilliant characterization. But are you a detective story fan?
I am a huge crime fan, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I am a huge crime fan. Though I have to say with this film, I can't even see it as crime. Of course it is a crime, but it's a tragedy. It's a tragedy on so many levels that I can't even see it as true crime, how we would, watch something like The Killing or, one of these shows that we watch. This is, it's beyond that.
Irfan sir, good to see you on Indian shores, let's put it that way. Yahan aur wahan dono conquer kar gaye ho. Very few have done it. So first of all, I'm even bigger fan of yours because of that. So now when you are doing this film, I know that you look at the script very carefully and everything is involved. So what made you say yes? Was it just Vishalji? Was it Meghna? What was it?
It's the power of the story. You see different versions. What happens with us, we read headlines of paper or we listen to television or, somebody's version in the internet. And we have this tendency to believe those things. But I would say everybody has a responsibility to go beyond the headlines and do their own homework and then come to their own conclusion. We shouldn't let the headlines form your opinion because that's what human beings are. They should be able to see their own truth. Our journey is about finding our own truth. And this, when I read this, Vishal Sahab said, please read this script, and I was shooting somewhere and he sent me this. And there was all the versions of different versions of the story. But still there was so powerful emotion which was coming out of the story. So, and that was, that was something which compelled me to do this film. And I really want to congratulate Meghna the way she has, this kind of immense pain and consistency and perseverance it must have taken for her to come up with this, and the way Vishal Sahab has shaped the story.
Finally ये आप ही का बेबी है. इतने दिग्गज लोग इसमें हैं, लेकिन फाइनली आपका बेबी है. आप खुद एक मदर भी हैं और एक फिल्म मेकर भी हैं. ये जो कहानी है ये जितनी ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है उतनी ज़्यादा सेंसेशनल भी है. तो क्या कहीं आप बहुत सेंसिटिव डायरेक्टर हैं, क्या कहीं कमर्शियल एंगल को रखने के लिए आपने इसको ज़बरदस्ती का सेंसेशनल बनाने की कोशिश की है या कुछ इस तरह?
जी नहीं, मुझे ऐसा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट में ऐसा कुछ था नहीं।
जी
जब स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे एक इंटेग्रिटी कायम हो जाती है तो वही फिल्म में दिखाई देती है और उससे मेरा काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट इतनी पावरफुल थी और इतनी मजबूत इंटेग्रिटी थी। और फिर उसके बाद जब इस तरह के परफॉर्मर्स फिल्म में आते हैं, एक्टर्स इस तरह के जो खुद भी बहुत ही इतने सेंसिटिव होते हैं कि दे आर ऑल्सो ट्रेडिंग दैट वेरी थिन लाइन वेरी केयरफुली, सो एवरीथिंग देन फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस। सो बाकी और कुछ हो ना हो, इस फिल्म की एक जो नीयत है जिसको कहते हैं वो सही है।
जो इसके ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया
जी।
तो ये पेरेंट्स के भी तरफ से लिखी गई है।
तो ये तो फिल्म देखने के बाद आप मैं
ये वैसे
बताएंगी?
पेरेंट्स की तरफ से नहीं लिखी गई है। इसमें 3 इन्वेस्टिगेशन, बार बार हम कह रहे हैं कि 3 इन्वेस्टिगेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ हैं। पेरेंट्स की तरफ से नहीं है, किसी और की तरफ से नहीं। जो हुआ है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में वो हमने वैसे का वैसा दिखाया है।
Vishal ji,
Vishal ji, here, slightly
Okay,
towards
yeah.
your left.
Sonu.
Here. Vishal ji, given the fact that you have extensively researched on this subject, what's your personal take on this story? Who are the real killers according to you?
ये तो हर कोई पूछता है कि हुआ क्या था और किसने मारा। तो मैं बता दूं तो आप प्रीति को पहले 15, 16, 20 करोड़ रुपए दीजिए तो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ।
Sir, the second one, as a filmmaker, what is the ultimate intention behind making a movie like this?
जी,
As a filmmaker, what is the ultimate intention behind making a movie like this? And when would you say that aim would be successful?
success I think is there because we are able to make this film. I think that's enough for me as success. क्योंकि इस तरह की फिल्म बनाना और उसको उसमें इरफान, कोंकणा, नीरज जैसे लोगों का होना, वही एक अपने आप में बहुत सक्सेस की बात है मेरे लिए।
मेघना जी,
For the
मेघना जी,
makers
यार
also.
आई लाइक टू आस्क यू मेघना जी दैट क्या वजह है कि हमारी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में फीमेल डायरेक्टर्स बहुत कम हैं?
आई डोंट थिंक ये कोई कॉन्शियस डिसीजन या प्लान है। आई थिंक ये विमेन के ऊपर निर्भर है कि वो मतलब चूज़ करें डायरेक्ट करना या नहीं। एंड इफ़ यू आस्क मी, आज की तारीख में तो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फीमेल डायरेक्टर्स देन 10 साल पहले अगर आप देखें तो।
और असिस्टेंट्स में आप जाके देखेंगे तो मेल बहुत कम है। जितने असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स अभी आ रहे हैं उसमें फीमेल्स की तादाद बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो आने वाले वक्त में आई थिंक यू विल सी मोर।
मेरा सवाल आपसे है क्योंकि फिल्म एक माँ की कहानी बताती है, एक बच्ची की हत्या की कहानी बताती है। You know, while shooting the film, while picturization of the film, we got emotional. Should I repeat myself?
No, thank you. No, thank you. I mean, I think you would be heartless not to be moved by this emotionally. No, because it's really such a horrific tragedy that has occurred to a family that how can you not be moved by this? And of course, I mean, as a mother also, I mean, I now I think today I can, it has even more of an impact on me, I mean, enacting those scenes. But I don't think you need to be a mother to kind of really understand the horrific nature of this tragedy. I think that, I mean, human empathy is such that one can empathize with people, even if you're not a mother, you can understand misfortune and tragedy in others, right? I mean, you don't have to be in Nepal to experience the earthquake to kind of truly grasp the magnitude of it, right?
I want to ask a question on a lighter note. Since we've spoken so much about Hollywood with Irfan, now let's go back to you, Konkana. So many years ago, Life in the Metro, the two of you, and now when you meet him, has he become spoiled? Now that he's traveled all over and he's got these millions of dollars coming in, you would know him the best because I think that film got him out there, and
We
suddenly
never saw
both
any
of you.
evidence of any millions of dollars, I have to say, unfortunately.
So no, but otherwise, has he changed a lot? When you meet him now, is there a lot more advice and a lot more tajurba that comes forth in your discussions with him? I'll give you a chance to defend yourself, sir.
What should I say? No, actually, I think that we've always, both of us have, kind of been very kind of respectful and reserved and shy and, cordial. And I don't think that, that
hasn't
aspect has
changed.
changed at all. I mean, I wouldn't have known if I had not read the papers or if I didn't know and had not watched his other fabulous films. Just in my previous films, acting with him and acting with him in this film, I would not have known कि इतना कुछ हो गया इनके साथ. I wouldn't even have known.
मतलब मैं स्टैटिक हूँ, मैं बदल नहीं रहा हूँ, जैसा था वैसे ही हूँ.
Bouncer वाली
This
alluded
is
there.
not a compliment. मतलब nothing. मतलब I'm not growing. I'm not evolving. मैं था जैसा है वैसे ही हूँ.
ऐसा ही है वो.
This
Right.
is for the makers of the film. Like you just said, this is the first day, and there might be objections in the near future with regards to the film.
That was a
are you
joke.
guys-
They won't buy.
But
That was
are
a
you guys
joke.
looking at it? Are you guys open to any changes in the script, or there might be cuts in the film, or probably?
The film is already censored. Film is already censored in UA certificate, and so is our trailer.
Neeraj, my question is for you. Playing the father in the movie, it was one of, it is a very sensitive character. What really made you, right at the center.
Top
yes.
left.
What really made you pick this character firstly? And also, it is a very sensitive character. So what kind of research really went on when you were trying to portray it on the big screen?
First of all, I didn't pick the character. I was asked by Meghna to play this. And what made me play this character? Are you asking me that?
It is a very sensitive character. We know about that. When you thread a very thin line
Yes.
when you play somebody which incident which has happened in real life.
yes.
So, like, what are the research that went from your part?
Research is all the documentation that has been done on the case, various video recordings, various written documents, a lot of written documents that includes even a whole booklet and a lot of material given by the director herself to me. And all that, tracing the entire thing was very important for me, at least, as a performer. So right from the day it began and whatever else has been written on that, I had to read everything to really sense what is happening and not be opinionated about it. That was very important because you form your own opinions as a human being first, and that might come into your performance. So all that research becomes essential, at least for me as a performer, so that I take a stance not as a human but as an actor. I am giving you a neutral representation of what all those versions are all about, and that requires all this research, yes. Also, when you read all these things, you begin to almost not live it, but yes, on a moment-to-moment basis, you are continuously thinking about that. Because it's a live character, as I said earlier. It's not it's not a biopic. It's somebody who's still living. And there is human empathy. So whenever you are reading everything or watching videos of interviews of the two parents, you are continuously breathing and living those sensations and those feelings. There were moments in the shoot where all that research would help tremendously to really find my way into what I'm doing in the scene. And they were very, very powerful. I'm a father myself. And I'm a father of a daughter. So that makes it even more powerful for me to represent this.
Hi, this question is for each one of
We'll
you.
take this one, yeah.
Yeah. As I'm not asking you the question as a performer, but as a person, like each one of us have an opinion. What were you guys thinking, or what is your opinion personally? What happened that day? Irfan, you can. Yes.
No, I think we have answered that because it's not that who did what. This is the investigation.
Yeah,
And
sir, not about the film. I'm talking to you as in a personal level. What do you think had
that's-
happened?
because we have made personally this film. So this is our point of view.
There are three
So
point
there-
of
there-
views,
yeah,
right?
there are 3 point of views. So it's as confusing as the mystery is.
But okay, that's a writer's point of view. What do you guys think? What happened?
See again what Vishal Sahab said कि 20 crore रुपए आप रख दीजिए बताए थे हमें अपने.
See, the case is sub judice. So if they give their opinions here, they'll say they're sort of forming another public opinion. So, that would become...
That's the
yeah.
thing, somebody asked कि आप क्या point prove करना चाह रहे हैं कि इससे क्या होगा. See, we are afraid of wondering. We are in the habit of being fed something into our system. So I think it's a high time that, we should confront that with ourselves and see that, we have much more potential than being just fed. Like an amoeba, who eats and shits and reproduces.
We also have Facebook now, so I'm sure everyone's opinion after this film will be posted on Facebook, and then you can total it out and get the percentage of who's saying yes.
But Vishalji, don't you think the Talwars would be distressed when they get to know that a film is being made on their slave daughter's life?
I mean, they are already, I think, in distress. They are in jail, and they say that they are not guilty. And at least one investigation is showing that.
Right. My question is, would they be happy seeing a film like this?
How can I tell and answer you on their behalf? एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू से, द पर्सन हु वाज सेइंग कि कहानी तो सबको मालूम है, इसमें ऐसा क्या है जो बांधे रखेगा। इसमें बहुत सारी वही चीज़ें हमारे लिए एक्साइटिंग थी जो कि डिटेल्स लोगों को पता नहीं है कि क्या क्या बिज़ारनेस इस केस में सिस्टम ने की हैं और हुई हैं, और वही देखने का इसके अंदर मज़ा है जो कि किसी को मालूम नहीं है उन डिटेल्स के बारे में।
और हर रात को न्यूज़ चैनल पर हम लोग देखते हैं, सारी खबरें पता होती है, फिर भी 1 घंटा हम देखते हैं और वो भी बांधे रखता है, TRP आती है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।